Hi, I'm Heather Arnett and I'm the director of the Cat Call Choir. I'm out here again at 24th and Mission by Dance Mission Theater to sing street harassment quotes to the tune of nursery rhymes. We'll see what happens today. So that was totally awesome. I got my first Cat Call Choir hug. It was badass. I'm gonna try handing out these balloons now to see if I can get more people to push my button. The guys across the street just blew me a kiss. Hi, hello, want to play? How your tits doing today? Why won't you say hi to me? Why you gotta be so mean? Don't be gay, okay? Think you need to get laid? Don't be gay, okay? Think you need to get laid? Hi, hello, girl, you fine. Bet you get that all the time. Look at that, their fat butt. Fine, then walk away, you slut. The following are based on true stories. She was standing on the subway when he came. She was squashed between the people when he came. She was standing on the subway, she was squashed between the people